Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube video. My office is across the street. I'm more comfortable just shooting them here. I have a national practice. I've worked well over 10,000 cases. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been doing this a long time. I have a boutique firm just designed having former IRS agents who really do know the system. There's no bull crap with us. Just look at my website at 777irs.com. I have former agents with specialties on every single problem you have really for Internal Revenue Service. We know what IRS is going to do ahead of time, so I want to just tell you but whatever they do, we're like 2 steps ahead of them. Today I want to talk to you about the tax preparer due diligence audits. I just did one of these YouTubes, got about 4 or 5 days ago, and I got 2 more calls since then. So I'm doing another one again because many tax preparers out there are getting audited by IRS. And why does IRS audit it, and where do they get the information? I just want you to know, if you have a PTIN number, IRS tracks all your tax returns, every one of them. Yep, they have a file on you, and they know how much your average refunds are. They know how many credits you're giving away, how many losses you have. They already have these files, and so when they come out, they already know where they're going because they have your information right there. So it's not going to be a mystery, and IRS usually comes out in batches on 25 or 50, depending on what's going. What can happen? Well, IRS can recommend criminal investigations look at you. If it's severe, we've had a couple cases do that where we brought in our criminal attorney, and most of the time that doesn't happen, but I needed to say that because we've had it happen a couple times. The other thing that they will do, they will look at those 25 or 50 files, and then they start to explore from there. The agent uses that as a doorway to open the door to find out what's really going on. The other thing that can happen, you can lose your license. And then after you lose your license and you're shut down, you're going to owe money to the IRS because of penalties. And where the real problem comes in are the clients. The clients call and say, what's going on? IRS is auditing my return. You got to answer all the calls. You go back and forth. I'm just telling you, and this should make sense. You've got to have someone stand before you and the IRS and maybe even your clients. But remember, IRS knows already who they're going after. They have that report. So if you've taken too many credits or you've had too many losses, IRS knows exactly where they're going to go. They don't come out random. Anyway, I'm just telling you, we do work very, very well. We have about 250 years of direct IRS work experience working for IRS, not just happenstance. So anyway, if you need us, go ahead and give us a call. Give me, if you would, a subscription. I would appreciate it. We're excellent at what we do. Thank you so much. I appreciate you listening.